Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to the Magic Chef Mansion here in St. Louis, Missouri. The Magic Chef Mansion was built in 1908 by Charles Stockstrom. Now, Stockstrom was the co-owner of the Quick Meal Stove Company, which was later renamed to the Magic Chef Stove Company. And at one time, it was the largest stove maker in the world. Stockstrom died in 1935 at the age of 83, and his family continued to live in the mansion until his daughter Ada passed away in 1990. The family decided they no longer wanted the home, and the entire estate was put up for sale. Everything was sold. The house itself was purchased by Shelley Donahoe, and she has spent the last 30 years of renovating the home to as close as its original state as can be possible.
If you're from St. Louis, you probably heard of Ivy Selkirk from the 100. Ivy Selkirk did the estate sale and they had all the records and they were loaded with photos like this. Has this always been the Magic Chef? Look, all of the chandeliers and all the rooms are custom made for each room at the time. And the only one that wasn't recovered was the one that's in the breakfast room. And that's a replica house. Then went to the oldest grandchild who said, I don't want it. So they did an estate sale and sold out.
Here is a blueprint of the original house.
Yeah, it's a little different, but it's...
Now this is the original German plaque. The plaque says, "A man needs a little place, even if it's very small, of which he can say, 'See, this is mine. Look, here I live, here I rest. Here is my homeland, where I belong. Here I am at home.'" Now the holes here in these benches in the conservatory are actually where the plants were placed along there, and the water that watered the plants, the overflow fell through the holes and right onto the floor. And this saying here is translated into everything depends on God's blessing. Now this was quite interesting. There was a wall safe directly into the wall of the pantry there. And this is the intercom system for the servants. Number 1 was the 3rd floor, 2 hall stairways, 3 the garage, and 4 machine shop. These stairways, these were the servants' stairways, so they didn't have to come through the main quarters of the 1st floor.
Across home, so go up to Chicago, wear blue stuff, that kind of thing. So.
There are the original bowling pins to this bowling alley. They were such decay because they'd been rotting in wet water. They were unusable, but the owner took them and made these other pins, but they discovered that the pins were easily dented with the bowling balls, so now they use modern pins there. Instead of frames, they called them innings back in the day. Every modern home can't be complete unless it has a public telephone for use.
Okay, so you love this type of thing? Yeah.
Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.